you crack and pop your neck, here is a simple exercise that is designed to help with your neck pain and neck stiffness. Standing upright, bring your chin down to your chest, then bring your chin over to your right shoulder, feeling the stretch and the sensations in the left side, and then slowly bring your chin all the way up towards the sky, and then feeling the sensation of the stretch, bring your chin over to your left shoulder, feeling the stretch in your right side. Remember, the key here is slow is fast.